You guys have to come and try this place right here. This burrito truck in Hayward. Look at the delicious food. I'm doing a review right now. Food review. Hold on. Turn it around. Food review. See the food review? Yeah. A lot of good food. And then you can try it out. Try it out. In Hayward on Mission. Try it out, y'all. Yes. Phone number. This is the pineapple colada. Sorry for the sun, right? Yeah. Yep. Another field review. Yeah. Got the phone number right there. Come in, get some good food. Good food. Okay, you guys get down and then got this. This is how big it looks right here. Shoot, this look real big, real grande-ish, real delicious. So I'm gonna open it up. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all see when it's work. You know what I'm saying? This burrito is $14. $14, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Take it off. You know what I'm saying? Take it little by little, and then I'm gonna get down. One good time. It's a little hot in here, y'all. Sweating. But I told my man to really soak it up, man, for me. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing. Tell him to soak it up for me. And I had to make sure. This beginner. It's hot, real hot too. But show y'all, like, I could dip it. I got the salsa too, but French style burrito right there. All the flavors. Inside the burrito. Uh-oh, see, it's just falling off. See, there's the steak falling off.